How's it going, everyone? If you're new to my channel and you like what I'm talking about, please leave a like, comment down below, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification. So my name's Francisco, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to invest in your 20s. So I'm currently 25 years old. I'm new to the stock market, new to this dividend investing. So the way I do it, I got into investing not too long ago. I thought I was going to be this amazing day trader or swing trader, and it didn't pan out for me. So in today's video, I'm just going to be going over how to invest into dividend growth investments and bringing you guys along, showing you the tips that I use in my daily life so that I can invest. Because I'm 25 years old, I have 5 kids, I have a house, a car, gas payments and all that to get to work. But even though I pay all that, I still have a little bit of money left over to invest. So it's not a lot of money that I'm investing, and it doesn't have to be if you're in your 20s, because you still have 40 plus years to go before retirement. So the way I do it is I set a goal. It's not like a weekly goal, it's more of a monthly goal. So I'll set a $20 monthly goal to invest into the stock market for new dividend stocks. Now in January I put $35 in, that was ahead of my goal. This February I've already put in $280. 50 of that was that I withdrew out of Webull to put into Robinhood, so I'm not going to count that. So just in the month of February I've already put in $230. And I plan to keep putting more money in before the end of this month. But my goal is $20 a month, so if I hit that, I'm fine. $20 doesn't sound like a lot, but if that's all you have to invest, it's better than not investing at all. So what I would do is, if I have $20 and it's not going anywhere, and I know me and my family are just going to go spend it on one-time fast food, I'm going to invest it into something that's going to make me money. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but the $20 that I do get, I put into ECC, because it pays 20 cents a month. So now that $20 that I had is earning me money instead of me going out and spending it when we have food at the house. So that's just a little way that I put money into the stock market. So in February alone, like I've said, I've put $230. That's because I got a free check. After my raise, I had that money just sitting around. So I decided to put it into my account to help grow. I could have easily used that money for other things, but I figured it's better to put it into my portfolio than to spend it on me or just on something that we want to go do for one day and have fun. I'd rather build me more money, that way when I sleep, I'm still getting paid. And that's the beauty of dividend growth investing, is you're getting paid while you sleep. You're getting paid to have your money securely somewhere. So the money that's growing on the side is not the same as money you're making from your job. The money you're making on the side, you literally don't have to do anything to make it, so it makes it a lot more valuable to you. And that's kind of why I do the dividend growth investing. That way I can just make money while I sleep. So there's a couple ways to start investing in your 20s. One is if you have, like, say $40 and your friends want to go out for the night but you really don't want to. Well, if you end up going out, you can say, hey, I'm going to put $20 aside for my dividend investing, and 20 I'm going to go out and have fun. That way you can still go out and have fun and still invest. That's just one way that you can do it. Another way is just to calculate how much money you're spending in the month, take out like what you don't really need for the next month, and use that same money to invest into your dividends. So say I go out this month and I spend $300, and then I go back and check my finances and $60 was on like stuff that I didn't need, junk food and stuff like that. Well, the next month I can go and take that $60 that I know that I'm going to spend on junk food and reinvest that into my dividends, and that $60 is going to turn into more money for me down the road. Now $60 isn't a lot as dividends go, but I like to invest into REITs, into monthly paying dividends, and a lot of them ain't too expensive, so it's easy to get money into them. So with $20 I can usually go out and buy me a stock. So it doesn't take a whole lot of money to start investing. I started investing, I think I put $20 into Robinhood and put it into a dividend paying stock. I then continued to grow it a little bit more, and then I made a big financial mistake when I did a swing trade, but that's in the past, and now I'm just going to focus on dividend growth investing. So there's a lot of ways you can get in with $20 or less. Robinhood is about to introduce fractional shares, so when that comes in, you can start investing with $1. So with Robinhood's fractional shares, you'll be able to buy any stock that you want for $1. You'll get a fraction of that stock, so you'll also get a fraction of the dividend. So if the dividend is 20 cents and the stock is around $15 and you put $1 in, you will get a fraction of that 20 cents. It's not going to be much, but it's something to build on. If you don't have a lot of money to put up monthly, you can just put up $5, $10 and buy fractional shares of a couple different companies to start investing. $5 invested is better than nothing invested, in my opinion, and it's a good way to get started. And then once you start seeing them dividends roll in, it kind of motivates you to put more money into the market. So this way of investing is kind of different. Like, I can use it, but right now the change that I'm using is going to my fiance because she likes to keep it. But say you go out and you spend money. If you're paying with cash money, they give you change back. You put that change to the side, and when it's big enough for you to cash in, you go cash it in, and that money you can use to invest. So that's money that usually would get lost in your pockets or just thrown to the side or something like that. You can use that money to start investing into stocks, and with fractional shares that are going to be released from Robinhood, that would help you get into a couple fractional shares. So with me, I know when I usually spend a lot of cash money, when I have cash on me, I usually can get like $10 within the month just from change that I would normally just throw away or falls out of my pocket or something like that. So if I started to save that change and then cash it in at the end of the month and had like $10, $15, $20, I can put that back into Robinhood to continue growing my money. So $20, if you can put change, grow to $20, cash it out, put it into Robinhood, and buy something like ECC or another monthly paying stock that pays around 15 to 20 cents a month, your change just added change to what you're already making, if that makes any sense at all. One other way you can invest, I've seen some videos of people who did this, but they started doing it for day trading. Well, you can go around and just find stuff that you don't need and like sell it on the marketplace, stuff that you're never going to use. I'm not saying go out and sell something that's important to you that you're going to use every day, but stuff that you don't need that's just laying around. You can go and sell that on the marketplace, like on Facebook or on Craigslist or OfferUp or anything like that, and you can use that money to invest. That'll get your feet in the door. That'll get you something to play around with on the stock market. So you can do that to get into investing. There's a lot of different ways you can get into investing in your 20s. I, for one, just put aside money that I know I'm going to spend on fast food and stuff like that. But there's a lot of ways. If any of the tips that I said in today's video help you guys out, let me know down in the comments. If you're not already invested but you're thinking about it and something I said was kind of helpful, leave it in the comments. If you guys like my video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, see you all.